Good evening, guys. I guess there's some echoing, but it's fine. So this is Rishav Goyal. I goes by the name Bunny Goyal too because that's my industry name. We are an 8 years old gaming startup. We started back in college, two young kids knowing nothing about life, just trying to figure out what we can do. And yet we are here, nothing, figuring still what to do. So from the last 2-3 years, we have been in Web3. We deployed certain metaverses like the Cobox metaverse and the Shiba Inu metaverse recently. We are working on new projects. Luckily, one with Somnia where Anjali is here. So yes, that's one of the projects we are working on. We have always been around as a R&D company. I'm not much like a Web3 guy. I'm more into gaming than Web3, I would say. So for me, what comes first is user experience. I don't say Web3 don't have user experience, but I'm just saying that player experience, game loop, game mechanics, these are my favorite areas where I look into that how can we engage people. And the only metric or the KPI I target is fun. If the person is having fun, it makes sense. If the person is just not having fun, whatever technology you are using, I don't get it. Like I don't prefer using it because if I am not having fun or if I cannot recommend my friends out there to play with me on a game, I don't think that's a game to be played with, whatever money you are earning out of it. So that's my psychology. It can be different for you, completely fine. The reason I entered into Web3, I would say, is because I felt there's an ecosystem here which is far more ahead than other ecosystems. We underestimate that how early Web3 is, yet how so far. If you see technologies, gaming has been like, it started 1960. The first AI word, I think it started around 1970s, 1980s. Web3, max, it's 2009. Yet in 15 years, it has made an impact very few industries have made. But we quite underestimate that. We go around and saying that, okay, we don't use blockchain much, we don't use Web3 much. It has still done so much in 15 years, most industries haven't done in 150 years. So it's a huge, huge thing. And that's why I felt this is an industry which is gonna stay for long and I have to build on top of it. And that's where tokenization, other things like all the keywords which you have in Web3, the major thing which I feel is gonna stay is ownership. You own the data, you own the credits, you own the assets which you have, and that's what matters. Everything can be stolen from you, but if you own it any way possible, either through an NFT, either through if you are giving even a basic ownership, we live in a world where everything is cloud, right? We don't buy anymore, we rent it. So I think already there's so much rent and renting going on. So maybe some kind of ownership can be provided to people that gives them a long-term stability. And that's right, there's nothing wrong in that. So yeah, that's it from my side.
Thank you for your insights. Okay. Now I welcome Kunal sir to give the token of gratitude.
Yellow. Q.